Forecasted snowfall has risen to between 14 and 20 inches. Accumulation is rapid, with Brooklyn and Staten Island expected to be the hardest hit.
Jonas. These poor people. That's about to be us. Oh my god. This is crazy. Alright, it is Saturday, January, what is it, the 23rd?
Yeah, I think.
23rd, maybe the 22nd. Winter storm Jonas is upon us, and it was not a little fluffer like last year. All right, we are going to attempt to venture out into the wild and recover some food for tonight. If I see a deer, I'm grabbing it. You ready? I've got to stop doing that shot. Oof. Oh my word. This is officially the snowiest I've ever seen our area. That car, that is awesome. What a boss. Woo! That's the best. Shelter in a snowbank. That was so intense. Imagine living in Minnesota, having this just be the norm. Alright, we have brief shelter from the storm. My lens is hanging in there. We are headed to the Meat Hook, which is our butcher. I thought everything was going to be closed today, but then we saw on the Instagrams that they're actually open and they're looking for some company. So
Instagram, one word.
That is the move. RV in a snowstorm. It's like the tundra of Hoth out there. All right, there's our boy. Oh my God. This is my favorite store in Brooklyn. Shallots. What type of steak should we make? Do you have like a skirt steak type deal? How much are you looking for? Oh, you want steaks?
Yeah.
Skirt steaks are steaks.
I know.
Okay. Do you have any grass-fed ribeyes?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Camera's on. Do you want me to just take a picture of you guys real quick?
Oh, that's fine. Oh, it's all video.
Hold on. Oh, it's all video?
Yeah.
Oh, you're recording? Tip, you're on video now.
Awesome. That's what it should be. Realize your
ideal.
A snowed-in dinner. Yeah.
I'm really good at close-ups.
Let's see how much I weigh.
That's not right.
What does it say? 200. 200? Okay. Successful trip to the butcher. Like a true gentleman, I've taken cover and left Meg to fend for herself. That dog is just having the time of his life. Maggie, come here. Oh, good girl. Oh, you smell the steak.
Nope, not for you. Nope.
Well, well, that just made my day. We are back at the apartment, decided to call it quits with Storm Jonas. And about time too, we are watching the news now, and we saw on our phones as well that they're basically shutting down everything in the city, the transportation. You're not allowed to have cars on the road at all. And then we saw a bit about the history of winter storms in New York, and we're only a few inches away from actually being on the top 5 list all time for snowfall in New York. All right, time to take out the snow day dinner supplies. All right, dudes, we will check you guys later. Hope everyone had a great winter storm, Jonas. Ciao. Instagram.
It's not plural.
Instagrams. People say internets. What does your dad call Uber? No, an Uber car?
Calls it Chipotle.
Oh, Chipotle.